Hi everyone, this is Ann Clemmer and Stamper from StamperDog.com. And hey, do you like coffee or do you prefer hot chocolate? Well, we're gonna make your coffee great again with our Big Shot machine. Come on, let's get started. You can't believe how easy it is to do what I'm going to do to make your coffee great. Oh my goodness. Now you want to start off with a good cup of coffee, right? And you can use anything that gives you some kind of foam on the top. This is an espresso blend that's in here. And then I've got some milk that's all foamed up in the top. And here, you're going to see it here. So there you go. Okay. And then I went to my Big Shot and I cut out an S for Stamper, right? Now, if I was going to do this all the time, I would definitely go and make sure that I sealed this so that it was, so I could use it over and over again. But what you want to make sure is that the paper is going to cover the cup. You don't want it not to cover the cup. And then you're going to get there's cocoa in here, just regular Hershey's cocoa. And I don't do what I did the first time. You don't want to put too much in there. Kind of look down in there and see what it looks like, because if you put too much, then it just doesn't look the same, right? And if you wait too late after the foam's gone down a bit, let's see, I think you can tell there's an S. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness. And now look, hey, the main thing is, how's it taste? Nice and chocolatey, just like I like it. This is Ann Clemmer and Stamper from StamperDog.com, where we try to put a little ink, paper, and fun, and maybe some coffee into your day. I hope you enjoyed this little crafty DIY tidbit to use the next time you make some coffee. And if you need a Big Shot, make sure you check us out at StamperDog.com. In fact, we are Stamper Dog everywhere on social media. If you like this, make sure you give us a like or a thumbs up, subscribe to us on YouTube, and hey, like us on Facebook. And if you'd like to do it again, join us Wednesdays at 1 p.m. Pacific time on Facebook and YouTube. And who knows where we're going to show up next. Stamper, sit. That'll work. Wait. 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 Look at up there. Hi everyone, this is Ann Clemmer and Stamper from StamperDog.com. You know, he always gets excited when the camera turns on. Stamper, sit. Sit. Wait. So anyway, do you like coffee? How about hot chocolate? Don't give any chocolate to dogs. But, Stamper, sit. Wait. Yeah, he minds a lot. Stamper, sit. Stamper. Watch me. Sit. Wait. Wait. I don't have anything. What is it with my hand? You just think I have something.